In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off Apple TV Remote Live TV buttons in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the Accessibility menu, and I keep scrolling down through the list until I spot Apple TV Remote. When I see it, I tap on Apple TV Remote, and that takes me into the section where those remote-related accessibility options are managed. Alright, now that I'm here on this screen, I look for the option labelled Live TV Buttons. Once I find it, I tap the toggle to turn it on. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. If I ever want to turn it off again, I can just tap the same toggle and switch it back. I pause here for a moment just to make sure the settings stayed enabled and everything looks right. After that, I begin backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Apple TV Remote, and toggle Live TV buttons again whenever needed. Sometimes I'll remain on this screen briefly and scroll a little just to get comfortable with the layout before exiting. It helps reinforce where everything is located so it's easier to find later. If I want to compare how it behaves, I might toggle the setting once or twice before leaving just to be certain it's set the way I want. It's quick to adjust and doesn't interrupt anything else I'm doing. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to turn Apple TV Remote Live TV buttons on or off on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever you need.